What's good, chat? Ghost 58 back. Today we're going on a little nighttime drive, a little nighttime POV, I guess. It is currently 11:37. And your boy is a little hungry. You know what I mean? So we're going on a quick little drive. The spot actually closes at 11:45, which I see the arrival time is 11:51. Anybody know me? Niggas know I'm always late to everything. So we gonna see how this go. I'm about to jet for a second. We'll pick y'all up in a bit. Give y'all a quick little view of the city. You know, we still on that drive. Oh man, I gotta do a filmy counter. Why the boys gotta be here? Hold on. Okay. Nah, I'm on the count. I guess we was just passing the precinct. I just put y'all down for a second. I ain't end it or whatever. But, yo, these roads, my nigga. Fucking NYC roads, bro. Pussy nigga trying to make me miss the light. Mind you, nobody in front of this nigga, bro. Like, I hate niggas, bro. Oh, my son, wow. It's alright, though. That's my side to catch the light. Got a quick little pull. Over there looking confused. Got Barclays over here, y'all. Know me. Little views of downtown. I'll pick y'all up in a second. Alright, y'all. So we're not really speeding. It is nighttime. I'm fake chilling. You know, I don't think they're gonna really do anything with the food for real. Hopefully not. But it did say 51. We did get it down to 47, you know. Just gonna give y'all a little view still, you know. Y'all can see what the city look like at nighttime and whatnot. Hear low sounds of the car. This bus over here hating on me. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get the food. Let y'all know how things go. Alright, y'all. This way we was coming. The doors, of course, is locked. I don't know what this nigga's doing inside. Other nigga back there look like he cooking some shit up or wrapping shit up. I don't know. Yo, this nigga door locked, y'all. As y'all can see, doors. Oh, shit not even locked. I'm retarded. How to pick up?
Pick up?
Yeah.
What's name? Picture.
Gotcha. Alright, so he is now leaving. I thought the door was locked. That shit was just heavy as fuck. I actually had to use shrimp to get that. Got the beast over here, food over here. Me. I deadass thought the nigga was looking at me on some retarded shit. I'm like, yo. Whole time the door was dead eyes open. Nah, I'm gonna fucking bleed. Feel me? You don't put food on the seats, y'all. Put that shit on the floor. I ain't gonna lie. It's in the bag. It's good. I don't like my car smelling like nothing aside from the shits that put the lights on. These shits, feel me? Shits like that. Let me give y'all a little sauce. Hold on. Let me give y'all some sauce. Guy or female? Niggas know. Anybody that ever been in the view with me? Niggas know. I got the best smelling car you ever been inside of. These shits, bro, small spaces that you will put in like the bathroom or like your room or some shit. These shits add to your car. So aside from these little shits or like little trees, regular shit, bro, I be having them shits like in the doors. Like them shits will be over there, over here. For me, it's a 2-door now, so I ain't even gonna show y'all the back. But I do got some shit over there too, you know. I'll pick y'all back up in a second. I'm gonna drive off, feel me, give y'all some more views of the city and things like that. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I did drove past it, but just for y'all, you know, I was like, yo, let me just, you know, come over here, give y'all a little pull through the little tunnel, you know? Because why not? Woo. Why not, man? Feel me? Just because. Like, what the fuck? Why would you stop there, bro? Come on, G. Nigga doing nut shit. Yo, this nigga, yo, I'm going the wrong way and shit. This nigga gonna stop there like a dumbass. Like he don't see me fucking turning. Yo, this why you gotta have a dash cam in New York, bro. You have to, like. Niggas just be doing straight stupid shit, y'all. Like, nigga on a whole bike, bro. A whole bike. Stopping. Then I hit him, then what? Like, what are we doing, bro? Niggas be fucking driving slow for no reason at all. Like, literally no reason. Like, you make a little 1-2 maneuver and look, you just gone after that. Like, well, yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up in a second. Feel me? Yeah, I was gonna record y'all. Range Rover up ahead is wildin'. Light turn green, we gonna catch him though. I don't know. Nigga wanted smoke. Feel me? I start zooming and shit. Nigga started zooming. Well, I sped past the nigga, and then he started zooming up behind me. That's why he just not ran a light. As y'all can see, light is fucking red. But, you know, bro, over there's a speed demon, you know? He's a dangerous guy, so fuck it. Let's see, though. Feel me? Light turned green. I don't see no speed cam till a few blocks from here. That were a few blocks. Light turned gonna be out of here. There's a nigga on a motorcycle right next to me, so I already know he gonna escape too, probably. He got shorty in the back, so you know how niggas get, feel me? You know how niggas get. They got a shorty with them. Niggas be trying to show out, do shit that they don't got in the arsenal and whatnot. He fuck around, fall off the bike or some shit. Let's see though. Let me see what this Range Rover fucking with. Low range in the back. Low range in the back. Turning? What you doing, y'all? You stopping? No. Damn, I thought he was gonna have fun for a little second. Nigga G'd my dumb ass. I'm gonna on a bike again. I ain't gonna lie, this lane is moving a little slow. Alright, it's starting to get, feel me? It's starting to be traffic out. I'm gonna pick y'all up in a second, right? I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all. The Range Rover is back behind me. Feel me? He is back behind me. I don't know what he's doing, feel me? I'm not really too sure, but that is him. I don't know if he didn't wanna, you know, maybe he didn't want to smoke or some shit. I don't really know, feel me? I don't really know too much. I don't know that guy, but I don't think he wanted smoke with the toy. Let's see, he is behind me still. There's still traffic, my nigga. Like, damn, bro, it's fucking 11:59, chat. It's 11:59. What all these niggas on the road for? Like, what's going on here? Alright, fuck it. Ain't nothing exciting going on. I don't wanna let me put out no boring content, so I'll see y'all niggas in a bit, man. I ain't gonna lie, chat. That's gonna be the end of this one. Feel me? Niggas is fake near the crib now. There was a lot of traffic. Then the cop ended up on the road, and I wasn't trying to do too much. I mean, it's late night. Niggas be bored around these times, so I was like, fuck it. But yeah, I'll see y'all boys next time, man. Go south.